So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are going back over my entire investment portfolio. Another month has gone by. We are now in December. So we're going to take a look at all of my investments and see how well they've done over the month of November. Now, I did add a bunch of stuff. As you can see, there's way more lines on here than before. A lot of this was just stuff from the different learning apps like the Coinbase Earn or Coinbase Learn and Earn, as well as the Coinbase Wallet. And I did get some more free stocks from Webull. So starting things off, we go with our CUSD stake on Valora. And I have not put anything new in it, as you can see, but the value continues to go up because I am earning interest every month. And I earned $1.60 last month, and so that's a return of 1.15%. I think it was a little bit more just because they pay out their interest every Tuesday, and so if you have more Tuesdays than normal in a month, then you're going to make a little bit more. But it's still every Tuesday is what they pay out, and right now I'm getting 32 cents every Tuesday from my $138 that I have currently invested. So we go into WarFi. I didn't put any more money into WarFi, but we are sitting at 184.57 for the current value, and we did receive $9.59 from WarFi for a monthly payout of 5.2%. So WarFi is doing well. They paid out more this month than last month, and they're saying that this trend might continue. So we'll see how well they do next month. I am still down overall on my investment, but if this keeps going, then I'm going to be breaking even, hopefully within 2 months, and then by 3 months, I should be finally in profit in WarFi. So I have I have some AVAX and USD staked in, Index Finance, and I earned 66 cents, which is just a 1% return on what's invested there. I'm going to pull those out because there are some pools that are paying more. So I may show that in the next time I do my investing $1 a day video. With the USDX Plus stake, I did earn 80 cents, and so that's 2.43% return for the month. That one is just slowly growing, not doing anything, haven't put any money into it in, I think it's been a month or two. I haven't put any money into it and still paying out just fine. Bull Run Bandit. So this is my Bitcoin and Ethereum stake. I have this staked on Dex Finance. I originally put in $74. It's now sitting at $116 just because of the price of the tokens going up. And I did receive 54 cents in interest from that, which is about 0.5% that I got back. It actually hasn't been sitting in there long, so it's actually not bad considering how long it's been in there. But the APY for that has gone down, so I will be looking at new places to put my Ethereum and Bitcoin into to earn some more yield. Project 79, so they paid out, they paid me $10 just from the interest. But I did get another $1 from a referral, someone who joined through my link and went ahead and invested. So that gives me a return of $11, and that is 5.24%. I think the overall, it was just a 5% return without the affiliate commission. And I now have $210 sitting in there. I'm going to put that $11 into that initial deposit, so it's going to hopefully make more next month. We'll see. Presend is still not really doing anything. We're still waiting for them to have their crowdfunding launch, so I still have $400 sitting in there. We'll see if they finally do something this month. I do have so all of these, the rest of these came from Coinbase Learn and Earn. So that's just their program where you can earn free crypto just from doing different tasks, usually teaching you how to use whatever that crypto token is. And I think this was the Access Protocol. They had a bunch of stuff that you can do to learn on there. I did have to pay $10 for gas fees and a few things for the different tasks, but I did receive $32 from it, so I did get some good profit there. Same thing with Optimism. I had to pay $17 to complete all the tasks, but I earned $89 because of it. VeChain, I did not spend any money and I earned $13. Vera, I did have to spend $8 and I earned $43. And then with SoFi, didn't have to spend anything, but I did earn $6. So all of these here is from Coinbase, just from being a Coinbase member and taking the time to do their learning activities. And so because of that, my overall profit is going to be really high just because I didn't have to spend any money to gain those. And it didn't take much time either, which is great. Now, if we jump into stocks, so we got our Motive Industrial. I didn't put any money in, but we did get a dividend payment of 57 cents. So that is a little over 0.5%, which is nice to see. Global X Super Dividend ETF. I didn't put any new money in there, but I did get a dividend payment of 84 cents, which is almost 1%, which is really high for a dividend paying stock. I did get some new free stocks from Webull. Apple, I don't think Apple was on here last month. Coca-Cola was not on here last month either. So I did get those for free from Webull, and that's from just the different promotions and referral commissions. And I did get Starbucks for free as well. And Starbucks actually is paying out a monthly dividend. And so that is 3 cents, which is about 0.5% each month. And so that's a free stock that I got that's going to be paying me dividends every month, which is really nice. Now we go to Starwood Property Trust. I got a 17-cent dividend if I basically take the dividend and split it up to 3 months, because it is a quarterly dividend. So it wouldn't be 17 cents this month. It would have been whatever 17 times 3 back when I got my last dividend payment, and I'm just stretching that out between the 3 months. But that is 0.8%, 0.8% per month, which is actually really good for a dividend stock. EOG Resources, and it's the same thing. It's a quarterly dividend, and so I am putting in 13 cents, and that would be 13 cents for the 3 months for the actual quarter, and that is a 0.16% return per month, and that's actually typical. That's what you would normally see for a dividend paying stock. I did add for Starwood Property Trust, I am getting a stock lending payment from Robinhood, and I think that's just like 1 cent per month. So there's an extra cent added for stock lending. QYLD. So from QYLD, I actually got 52 cents dividend payment, which is almost 1% for the month. And I am down by just 4 cents, which is not too bad. I'm sure that dividend payment would actually bring me up if I was counting that into the overall profit. But just getting 1% a month from QYLD is kind of been steady so far, which is really, really good to see from a stock. And then Armour Residential REIT. So I didn't add any. Actually, I did add a little bit of money into EOG Resources. That was the only stock that I put some extra money in, and that's for my Investing $1 a Day series. But all the others, I didn't put any new money into. And I got 55 cents in dividends from Armour Residential REIT, which is 2.74%. So this is the highest paying stock that I own right now. I'm actually tempted to put some more money into it, even though the overall value of the stock is down quite a bit. I might wait a little bit because I'm still trying to build up my EOG, just because it's the safer out of all the stocks that I hold. It's probably the safer one from the dividend paying stocks. And so I will build up some more in there, and then I might jump more into Armour Residential REIT. Even though the actual value is down, that dividend payment is just so high, so incredibly high. And then we have my vaulted metals. So I did put some more money into gold, and thanks to the rise in the value of gold, we are actually up. We are up by 2%, which is nice to see. Now, silver is down. Silver was up for a little bit, and then it came back down. And so I am down by $3.43, and I have almost lost 5% on my silver investment. But I'm sure that will turn around. Not worried about that at all. So overall, I did not put much more money into my investments at all this month, but I gained a whole lot more. I've doubled my profits, and that's mostly from just doing some of the free promotions and affiliate commissions, really, which is awesome. I am getting $27, or I got $27 in interest last month for all of my investments, which is 1.33%. I do need to start working on increasing this, and I would do that by just investing in more stuff that pays out interest or dividends, and putting more money into the stuff that is paying out a lot. Like WarFi is paying out a ton. Project 79 is paying out a ton. I do have my yield farming, which is paying out a ton. And then, of course, Armor Residential REIT is the stock. And actually, Super Dividend ETF is also paying out a bunch as well. So putting some more money into some of those would bring that up. And my total profit, so I'm up by $665.93, which is a 48% return. So not bad at all. November was a really good month, especially for crypto. And I think December is going to be a really good month for crypto as well. So I'm looking forward to see how things will look in January. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will be leaving the links to all of the investments down in the description. So if you want to jump into any of them yourself, if you need any help, just let me know. I know some of these crypto ones, the DeFi ones in general, are really hard to get into if you're not used to DeFi, but I can always walk you through it or create a video if you need me to. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.